Hi guys, Naya Lyrical here again to bring y'all another poem. I wrote this one for my mom. Her birthday was yesterday. Happy birthday, Mom. Aries. Anyway, I hope you guys like it. It's real sentimental. So, yeah, here goes. My mother is my father, sister, and brother. At 13, she grew up and handled single parent responsibilities, never allowing me to get too comfortable. I thank you for not raising a punk bitch afraid of change. She had the balls to keep struggle out of my range even if the stench lingered on her fingertips. But to no surprise, my mother is a fighter. The curved balls life has thrown will always hit out the park. She can't help but protect my heart. Mommy, I don't hate you for the distance between family being further and further apart. She gave me a life to experience. If we stayed, where would I be besides in between Long Island, Brooklyn, and Queens, doing nothing but hustling? So stop feeling guilty, Mom, for things that were meant to be. You are the epitome of a hero with angel's wings, the ability to erase my doubt and fear of anything, teaching me the only right way is going against the grain. Any other mother's love couldn't even compare. I cherish your presence. Like my dependence on air, you don't know how much I block thoughts of the day you won't be here. Instantly, I fight back waves of tears. I can't bear the thought of you gone when you're the only reason I know love. I told the man above, only the best angels can guard you. And to all those fools who claim to love you, look around. Oh, 'cause I don't see them either. They were only meant for seasonal satisfaction, and their reaction to hardship was proof they weren't shit. But sometimes you lose your taste, so I let that slip. On another note, I apologize for my bullshit. All the women I brought into our lives when I was blinded wide-eyed. And I know I kept my mouth shut the times you needed my guard up, but I've always been a silent protector, and there were some things I thought necessary to neglect them. But you are my everything, so nothing and no one will ever come close. My mother is my father, sister, and brother. I never needed anyone else. So to the women in my life that I adored the most, happy birthday, Lucci. I love you. And that's for my mom. Mwah, love you.